Hello students, today I will present you with some questions on definite integrals. So here is the first question. We have to integrate this function x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. These things are multiplied with each other and we have to integrate this function between the limits 1 to 5 with respect to x. So to integrate this function, I will apply this property, which is property 5. So this is the property within the limits a to b. If we have to integrate a function, say fx, so we can do this also within the same limit a to b. The variable x can be replaced by a plus b minus x dx. So let us now begin. First of all, I will call this given integral as equation first, and then I will apply this property. So let me casually say this is a and this is b. So a plus b will be 6. So now I will apply this property in the integral so that we have between the same limit 1 to 5. Now x will be replaced by a plus b, that is 6 minus x. So it will be 6 minus x. We already have minus 1. Here also 6 minus x. We already have minus 2. Then 6 minus x minus 3. Then 6 minus x minus 4. And then 6 minus x minus 5 dx. Okay. On simplification of this is 6 minus 1, that is 5 minus x. This is 4 minus x. This is 3 minus x. And this is 2 minus x. And this is 1 minus x dx. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will take negative 1 common from each parenthesis. So we have minus 1 common from here, from here, from here, from here, from here. So we actually have 5 times minus 1 common. So that means we have minus 1 to the power 5, and then this will be x minus 5, x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 2, and x minus 1 dx. Fine. So this actually is a negative of 1 to 5. Let me rewrite these parentheses. So we have x minus 1, x minus 2. I am just rewriting these terms and rearranging. So we have this. Now if you observe from equation first, we have got the same integral. Fine. So we can say that I is equal to minus I, and if I change the side, so it will be twice I equals 0, giving us integral I equals 0. So that is the answer for this question. I'm sure you people could have understood this question properly. This is the application of property 5. Apart from that, I'm sure that you people would have subscribed to this channel. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends also. So now, bye-bye. Take care.